that we need like 5 network or that.
That
So
is done. Networking is done, right?
yeah, need 31 host. What would be the changes in that process?
Okay.
That I want to ask.
Okay. See, first 192.168.
168.
I'll just tell you. 1/24 need, for example, 3 networks. Okay, this is how you do it. Tell me.
Need 3 networks. Okay, so first of all, to keep our n is equal to 3, which means that n is equal to 2 because 4 networks
So
we will create.
number of networks formula is
2 power n,
n is what?
number of network bits.
Okay, correct. So now how many bits if I borrow? I will get 3 networks. How many network bits if I borrow? I'll get 3 networks. 192.168.1.0.0.0.0.000. Right? This is the one. Now, what I'm going to do, okay, scenario, I'll putting n, n, n,
H.
h, 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 h. Okay. Now, I'm going to borrow how many bits? If I borrow 2 power 1, I get 2 networks, not enough. 2 power 2, that is the nearest answer, correct?
Yes.
Now, how many bits I'll borrow is 2 bits.
2
Then I'll get
bits.
how many networks? 4 networks I'll get. That is the nearest answer. Okay, this is clear, right?
Yes.
Now this is 128. Then it is 64 and 32, 16, 8,
4, 2.
4, 2, 1. This is clear. Okay. Now the answer is, I'm going to borrow. Remember always left to right. Left to right is network bits. When I'm borrowing network, you have to calculate from left to right. And I borrow host bits, I have to come from right to left. Please always remember that. Okay. Now I am going to fix yes bit. The rest all I put yes h h h h. Okay. So how many yes bit I am going to fix it? Borrow it. 2.
2.
Correct.
S.
So left to right I am coming. Yes.
S.
Yes. Rest all is.
H. H. H.
So what is the this one? Magic number.
Magic number will be 64 in 4th octet.
Yes. The magic number is CADR is
24 plus 2. 26.
24 plus 2 equal to 12. This is clear. Then magic number is
64 4th octet.
64 in 4th octet. So how many subnets I'm going to create?
2 power n. N is the network bit 4.
4 subnets I'm going to create. In each subnet, how many hosts will be there? Number of hosts in each subnet.
2 power n minus 2. N is the host bit. So host bits are 6. 2 power 6 minus 2.
How much?
62.
So the answer is 2 power 6 minus 2, 64 minus 2, 62 computers or 62 hosts. Computer or hosts. All are same. Okay. Then you know how to build the full range table. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion in this?
No.
Okay. Now the same question I'm going to ask you is, now the customer is saying I am not worried about number of subnets. You create how many subnets you create, I have no problem. But each subnet need minimum 31 hosts or computers. Understand?
Okay.
Now the requirement is not yes. You have to borrow yes only. But now he is telling you borrow how many yes, I don't care. But I want to have minimum 31 hosts in each subnet. Okay. So when you create number of subnets, when I see number of hosts in the subnet, I need minimum 31 hosts. So now he is worried about the which bit? H bit, not the yes
S
bit.
bit.
Now what I'm going to do, I know this formula 2 power number of host formula I know, right?
Okay, so now 2
2
power n
power
minus 2 will be
minus 2.
31.
Okay. Then 2 power n minus 2 formula is, if I apply this, so 2 power n is host bits. Okay. I'll apply the formula. 2 power n minus 2, sorry. 2 power n minus 2 equal to 31. Now, how
31.
many h bit? How many h bit if I borrow? I will get 31 hosts. 2 power.
2 power n is equal to
If I borrow 5 s bit, okay. For example, okay. I'll get how much? 32 minus 2, 30 host. Not enough. So I'm going to borrow
6.
6. So if I borrow 6, I'll get 62.
62.
Right? I'll get 62. 64 minus 2 equal to 62 hosts. Okay. Now I'm going to write down yes bit. Remember, yes bit comes from right to left.
Right to left.
So it will be like this. This is H, 6H I put. Rest all is, this is N I know. N will not change. Rest all is yes. What is the CADR?
Number of
Same formula, N plus S only.
okay.
See, what we did here is, we just did the same CADR we reached, but the methodology was different. That's it. Understand? See, I didn't actually, I didn't say that CADR will change. CADR is always, what is the formula? N plus S only.
N plus
But
S.
this time I have confirmed it. Saying that H bit is fixed. Okay. I'm not worried about number of subnets. See, there are two ways you can ask questions in subnetting, right? One is I want to make sure number of subnets, or I want to make sure number of hosts. Okay, any one of this you can ask. You got it, right?
Yeah.
The customer will say, like, I'm not worried about number of hosts. I want to know number of networks. Now the customer is telling both. See, this is called VLSM. VLSM means what? VLSM means what? Variable length subnet masking. This time the customer is telling length subnet masking. This time customer is saying both now. He's not saying only one. Okay, only network or only host. Now he's saying I need 6 subnets. See, 192.168.1.0/24. I need 6 subnets, and each subnet is giving different requirement. First subnet, second subnet, is giving different requirement. He says first subnet is fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, now see, first subnet he says I need 100 hosts. Second subnet, the different projects, right? Different number of networks are there. I need 50 hosts. The third subnet says I need how many? Like, for example, 12 hosts. Okay. Next, like 10 hosts. Nine hosts. Okay, 11 hosts. Like that, something different they are giving. Now, what is your CADR will come? Because it is not fixed, right?
Yeah.
Understand?
Mm.
Now, this is called variable length subnet masking. Till now, what we studied is FLSM. FLSM means what?
Fixed
Once
length.
you fix CADR, it will be fixed for whole network. Understand? Now, so I'll show you this. Now, say a serial number, subnet ID, sorry, not serial number, subnet ID, network address, first host address, last host address, broadcast address, CADR. This is need, I'll write on this side, need. Here all are number of hosts only. Number of host. Okay, need is number of host. So, how many subnets I'm going to create? 6 subnets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So, 6 subnets I'm going to create. Now, what is the CADR and how many I'm going to give? Number of hosts I'm going to give. Number of hosts I'm going to give. What is the magic number? Magic number. The requirement is network address is 192.168.1.0. The last address is copy paste 1.255.
255.
This is one network, correct? Full range. Now this network I need to divide into 6, and the requirements are 100, 50, gave something like 12,
12, 10,
10,
9.
9, 11, something like this I gave. Okay, number of hosts is changed. Need. Now you need to find CADR first. CADR for
Subnet ID.
right? First subnet. So 192.168.1.0/24 need 100 hosts. So what is the CADR? You can calculate and tell me.
31.
31. Why 31? How many
Because
hosts will get? Say, for example, if you say 31, 168.1.0.0.0.0.0.0, right? So, n, n, how many h will be there? Sorry, how many s will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. H. Correct? Right? 31 means n/31 means n plus s. Correct? So 24 was there. You borrowed 7 network bits.
Yes.
Right? So you got how much?
31.
31/31. Now, how many hosts you'll get if I put /31? What is the formula for number of hosts?
2 power n minus 2.
2 power n minus 2. N is what?
Number of borrowed bits.
Host.
Number of host bits.
Host bits.
0.
Correct, na? Number of host bits, right? So how many h bit we have?
1.
So 2 power 1 minus 2, how much?
0.
0. So 0 computers, 0 hosts you are going to give. What is the requirement?
100.
But you are giving 0. Correct.
Wrong.
So what is right or what is the mistake?
Number of host bit would be 7.
So 7 means how many H?
7H
How many
would
H?
be there.
Huh?
7H would be there.
Let's see now. 7H. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, N, N. Okay, this is N. Okay, now from right to left,
From right to
7H
left.
means only one S. Right? Now what is the answer? Slash 24 plus 1, how much?
25.
Slash 25. So 25 means how many hosts will come? Number of hosts.
Number of host will
2
calculate
power N minus 2. Tell me.
126.
127, right? 7 minus 2 is how much?
128 minus 2.
Yes, 128 minus 2 equal to 126 hosts I'll get. Okay? So what is the CADR now?
25/25.
Now what is the magic number?
128 fourth octet.
Yes. The answer is 128 in fourth octet. Okay. Now this is clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Slash 25. Number of hosts is 126. Magic number is, I'll put fourth octet here. Fourth octet. Okay. So what is the number? 128.
128.
Done. Next. Now tell me, what is the, if it is 192.168 1.0/24, need 50 hosts. What is the CADR? 50 hosts.
N would be 6.
Means how many hosts will come?
Host bits would be 6. So
How number of hosts, how many will get? 6 means
62.
62. Okay. So what is the CADR?
26.
Okay.
/26.
Magic number?
Magic. 64.
Fourth octet.
Yes.
Now, next 12.
12 host. CIDR would be /28.
28. Okay.
Number of hosts. 14.
Magic number?
8.
8. How? How many bits you are borrowing? 192.168. 1.0000. Right. So N dot. Sorry. N dot. N dot. N dot. 4 H bit, right? So 4 H bit means 4 S bit. Yes,
Sorry,
yes.
16.
Then the
16.
magic number is first S, right?
16.
Yeah, like this we take. 16 in fourth octet, correct?
Fourth octet.
Fourth octet. Okay, now 16. Okay, next 10.
4 bits only.
Mm.
Slash
4 bits only.
28 CIDR.
Same, huh? Then 9.
9 would also be same.
11.
11 same.
Okay. Now, what is the purpose of magic number? To find the network address in the full range table, correct?
Range table, yeah.
Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this magic number. 0 plus 128, how much? 128. 128 plus 64.
128.
64.
192.
192.
92.
192 plus 16.
208.
208 plus 16.
224.
24 plus 16.
224 plus 6. 240.
Okay. Now I got the network addresses. Understand? Now using that, I'm going to use the formula. Next, network address -1, correct?
-1.
This is based on magic number. I got it. Oh, I got this using magic number. And this is network address plus 1, broadcast address -1. This formula you know. I'll apply this. So 129, 193, 209, 225, 241, right? And this is -1, right? 127, 191, 207, then
23,
223,
239,
and -1, 126, 190,
206,
222, 238, 254. Okay. This is called a VLSM, variable length subnet mask. So what I taught you now, why we say variable length subnet masking? The first is /25, second is /28, third is /28, 26 is, third is /28. Like that, the length of the subnet will be changing. Understand?
Yes.
So what I taught you now, VLSM. If you go to real time, you will see like this only.
Okay.
VLSM, variable length subnet mask. Okay. So that's it. This is the one. Then formula we see class B, class A, formula will be same only. The only difference will be number of hosts will be keep on increasing. Number of network hosts will keep on increasing. So what you do is you just try to understand, right? Try to do this. So VLSM is clear?
Yes.
That's it. This is the maximum. Then you practice. The more and more you practice, you get clarity. It's not like difficult or the more you practice, you tell me. Whenever you have any questions, you ask me. We'll discuss.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir.
I gave you number of hosts how to calculate, and I taught you VLSM also. So VLSM is the real one, which will be there in your company.
Okay.
Company, if you go, you'll see VLSMs. Okay. In company, will not have same number of hosts in each project. Different hosts will be there. Number of hosts will be not same. Okay.
Yes.
2 will be there. 2 means they will put /30. Only 2 pieces they want, no? The 2 link directly ping peer to peer. Okay. Like WAN, no? Routers. They put /30. Like that. Depends on the number of hosts, they will create the VLSM. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Thank
You understood
you.
now?
Yeah, I got it now.
You try this and you try
Mm.
other labs also. If anything doubt, you just answer me, like WhatsApp me the answer like this, the full range table. Put the question and give the answer like this. You create it, put the question and give the full range table. If you have doubts or anything, if you want to clear, just give the answer in the full range table and you just take a photograph in your mobile notebook and put it in the WhatsApp. It's anything right or wrong, I'll tell you if you have doubts.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm.
fine. You start
Yeah.
practicing wherever you stuck. You just take a photo and put it. And I gave you the software also, right? You have this.
Yeah. I downloaded that subnet mass
That you
calculator.
can calculate and you can verify that whatever you did is right or wrong also.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. It was showing everything.
Okay. Fine, right?
Thank you. Yeah, got
Okay.
it.
Okay. Take care. If anything, let me know. Okay. Take care. Bye.
Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Yeah. No problem. Take care.